You are a victim of a game. You don't even realize you're playing. You wake up, check the charts, and chase the green candles, thinking you're getting ahead. But while you're sprinting toward the cliff, the smartest man in history has stopped walking. He has sat down, folded his arms, and is watching you fall. Warren Buffett isn't buying. In fact, he is sitting on $180 billion in cold, hard cash. He isn't waiting for a deal. He is waiting for the funeral of your portfolio. The question isn't why he stopped buying. The question is, what does he see in the dark that you are too blind to notice? We are living in an illusion, a world built on cheap debt and fake hype. Most people see a bull market. Buffett sees a time bomb. He recently dumped his Apple stock, abandoned the banks, and walked away from the table. Why? Because the Oracle follows one brutal truth. It is better to miss a profit than to be destroyed by a loss. The scary secret isn't what's in his portfolio. It's the silence. He has mastered the one skill you lack: the power of doing nothing. In a world that screams for your attention, silence is the ultimate weapon. If you want to build a legacy like a titan and not just survive the crash, join us. Subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't follow the noise. We follow the masters. Buffett knows that gravity's coming for the market. And when it hits, everyone who bought the hype will be begging for a way out. He isn't betting against the world. He is betting on the inevitability of a crash. Wealth isn't made by being busy. It's made by being ready. While the world spends its last dollar, Buffett is building a war chest. He doesn't want to be right. He wants to be the only one left standing when the smoke clears. So, I have to ask you, when the music stops and the lights go out, will you be the one holding the cash? Or will you be the one holding the bag? Leave a comment below, but only if you're brave enough to face the truth. You are a victim of a game. You don't even realize you're playing.